Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the iPhone sound file and the tools you need. First, obtain the CAF or M4A file from an iPhone backup or ask someone to export it. Then install a trusted file manager plus an audio converter on your Android. Once done, grant storage and media permissions so apps can read and write sound files. You're preparing the exact asset and allowing Android to access it. This prevents permission errors when you move and assign the tone. Now convert the file to MP3 or OGG so Android recognizes it. Use the Converter app and pick a 256 kbps or similar preset for quality. Once converted, rename the file clearly and trim it under 40 seconds if it's long. Notification sounds should be short. Next, open your file manager and move the converted file into the notifications folder or ringtones, depending on whether you want it for alerts or calls. Finally, assign the sound. Open Settings, navigate to Sound then Notification Sound, and pick your new file. If the tone doesn't appear, restart the phone and, if needed, clear the Media Storage app cache so Android rescans media files. Once selected, test by sending yourself a message and check Do Not Disturb, volume levels, and notification channel priorities. If it still fails, reconvert to a different format or confirm the file sits in the correct folder. This single check solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.